So today I want to go over listeners' questions. So if you have questions, go ahead and write them down below. I do my best to answer them all directly or on our channel here. So people were asking me, is cold laser appropriate if you've had a spinal fusion? And I got to tell you, yeah, it's not a problem for you if you've had a spinal fusion. It's really been great on helping the cells to turn over and rejuvenate themselves so you get back to feeling great, living great, and your health. But I got to tell you, cold laser is typically not going to address the problem related to a fusion. You see, I've got my chart behind me that I want to go over with you on what causes problems that break down and need to be fused, and then what's got to be done to help them. So let's check it out. When we look at the cervical spine, from the side particularly, we should see a nice curve. Should be 42 degrees. However, through life and stresses, we can see that it changes in position and placement. Now, when we have any of these changes in position or placement, and we wind up getting exposed to a trauma, whether it's falling, whether it's a crash, whether it's playing a sport, it winds up progressing us down this degeneration process really quickly. And in some cases, it can cause your spinal discs to wind up bulging and causing you to have really bad problems. If we wind up just fusing together a segment where there's a problem, that's not going to take care of the cause of the problem. Because if we leave the spine like this, but just put these two together, the one above it and below it are going to break down. Laser's not going to necessarily treat that, but there is a system called spinal remodeling. It's actually what surgeons look to model to determine if the surgery's been successful. If you or someone you know has gone through spinal fusion surgery and are wondering, what do I do to keep active and prevent other segments from needing it? Go ahead and write your name down below and ask for help. We'll look to connect you with someone who may be able to do the things you need, or we'll look to guide you on what's the best next step for you to live an amazing, fantastic life. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.